Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to look into a special tool called Shodan, which is called as the hacker's Google. Normally we Google for searching any kind of data. This is also a Google, which is a Shadon, which is used to search for the internet connected devices. Whereas the Google is searching for the websites or HTML pages, Shadon searches for the devices. It searches things like open ports, servers, routers, IoT devices, webcams, and many more, which specially focus only on devices. But whether the shutdown is meant only for hackers, no. It is a legal cybersecurity tool which is used by the cybersecurity researchers, ethical hackers, security analysts, IT admin, government agencies, etc. So simply say Google finds a website, search contents, whereas Shadon find the devices and searches for the open services. So let's we can look into a demo of how it works. First, we have to enter into the shadon.io. After entering into the shadon.io, we have to click sign up or login. So I want to log in. I am logging in with Google. Now it creates a free account. The first step is you can search by country. So now I give country India. So I click on search. So it lists what are all the IP addresses, internet connected devices in India. It displays the IP address, open ports, and other service details. It displays all the here. There are no data return, and here some of the other content type, except the ranges, date, cache control, and some other details are being displayed. So the first search is the devices which are open and its details are being displayed. Second search, you can search through web servers. I can search Apache. What are all the Apache servers which are open can be displayed. It shows the servers running Apache, displays the software version, etc. So the date, server, Apache server details, the date of the last modified, and the content length and content type is being displayed. Now, third thing, you can search for the open ports. I can give port 22. So port 22 is a secured socket layer SSH, which shows the devices which are SSH enabled. So this shows the default passwords which are under risk. So the key values are being displayed. So the next is IoT devices. I can click on a webcam, which is really an IoT device. I can click on search. It displays the details of the web camera. Default credentials, which are not all changed, can be displayed. So these are some of the features, and you can use the filters like organization, host name, port, or country. So this is really a useful tools for professionals who work with the security auditing, exposure analysis, and vulnerability research, etc. And the major difference between Google and Shadon is Google work with websites and Shadon works for the devices. So really, we can say this is real. We do not use it in a wrong sense. We should use it only for in a proper sense, as a cybersecurity researchers can use this as a tool. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.